I will go for to the question answers now. Project sheet of 120 Dhatu. When do we submit? I mean the deadline. Sophie is asking. You can submit before the course is over. The course is expected to complete on Rama Navami Dashami Ekadashi around 21st, 22nd, 23rd. In that week, it is expected to complete. Shriya Mohan. Mahodaya, can we have an extra week just to finish tests and projects because some tests I have got late and I have a lot of test pending. Okay, this is a very important question Shriya has raised. I want to tell this to all of you. So we will give you at least 15 days after the course is over. At least 15 days. We are planning to see if we can extend it by 3 weeks. So 21 days, 15 to 21 days we will give you to go through or to catch up on the classes that you have missed, to catch up on the exercises that you could not do, and to catch up on the test, chapter wise tests also. To catch up on that, we will give you at least 2 to 3 weeks. The idea is for you to master this. So there is no point in we closing everything before. So we will give at least 2 to 3 weeks time to help you finish all these tests and projects and access worksheets as Shriya has requested. So I fully agree with Shriya. You need some time to finish that. Please finish that. This is one aspect. The second aspect is that final test of this, the final exam of this entire course will be conducted after those 3 weeks and not immediately after the course is completed, so that you can independent, you can do one test at a time, finish those tests, and then do the final test. See, one thing which I would encourage all of you is, don't think that you should master or get 100 out of 100 in all the test exams, or don't measure yourself. Do it. How much ever you get, it is okay. There may be a course which will come next year. That time you can improve. Don't stop attending the course or don't drop out of the course. Don't say, okay, this is not possible. Don't give up. So make sure we are trying our best. So earlier we said that test have to be done within 1 week. Now we have extended the tests to the end of the course and even more than that. Uh, the exercise sheets, again we are giving time to do. The project sheets, again we are giving time to you. So please make use of this time and dedicate yourself for doing this kind of work. Now, there are people who have attended many classes and who know Sanskritam to a quite good level in this course. They are attending other Vyakarana courses of Soumya Krishnapur. Some people are attending Pushpa Dikshit's classes. Some people are attending Swaroop's classes. They are also attending here. I am aware of those people who are attending other classes and who are attending here also. So for those people who think that these things are very elementary, you can submit the projects. You can submit the projects, take the tests and do the exercise sheets, and feel happy for yourself that you know it, and get a certificate from us saying that you have attempted the tests and the projects. So those who have learned these and are learning for the second time or the third time, please see if you can revise and contribute to the class in some way by giving some knowledge asset to that class. These are my requests and suggestions. So Shriya Mohan, thank you for raising this. I wanted to tell, but every day I was forgetting. So I thank Shriya Mohan for raising this question. Raghu Kumar, Nijante Katipaye Karmani Vadati Va Bho. Nijanta Nijanta Dikarmaka, all this is a big thing. And in this class, we are not doing Nijanta Karmani, etc. Can we convert a sentence from Kartari in Lang by using Ta Pratyaya, or does it have to be in Lang Atmanepadi form only? It's a good question. Uh, Technically, you can do it from Lang to Ta Pratyaya, but it is better to do in the Lakara if Lakara is available. But it is not incorrect to change from Lang to Ta Pratyaya. But normally that is not seen. Whether it grammatically it is correct, yes, it is correct. The meaning wise, it gives the same meaning. That is why we can do it. But however, is it done by our elders? Normally, when lakara conversions are there, they do lakara conversions. When kridanta conversions are there, they do kridanta conversions. Now, in the case of tavya pratyaya only, they convert between vidhiling lakara and tavya. That is a unique case. So technically, you can do it. That is the answer. So Shriya Mohan's questions are answered. Suman Mirmira, will the recordings remain on the Vyoma's website? As long as the site is there, it will remain on the site. You will have unlimited access to all the recordings on the site. Thiruvarul Vallal. Okay, Dhanyavada sir. Thank you for your kind comments. Sarayu Kannan, will the Excel sheets remain available for future reference? Yes, whatever is there in the course page, it will be available for you to access. We won't remove the access. We won't make it a paid course. So definitely it will be available for you as it is available for you today. If I have questions regarding some old assignments on or tests, how can I ask questions after the completion of the course while revising at a later date? The only way is to send a mail. Please send a mail. We will try to answer. Now, these finishes the question on the panel. So I have lowered all the hands. Those who want to ask questions can raise again, please. Sorry for that. Rohan Bharadwaj, your first question.
Sir, for Kartapadam and Prayoga, sir, Kartari Prayoga, sir, in Kartapadam and Karmapadam, Kartapadam is Prathama Vibhakti-antam, Karmapadam is Vidya Vibhakti-antam, sir, means any word in Prathama Vibhakti or Vidya Vibhakti like that, no, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, in Karmani Prayoga, Tritiya Vibhakti Nam and Prathama Vibhakti Nam in Karmapadam and Kartapadam, sir, is it full whole Vibhakti or only one word, specific word?
It is specific word, Kartrupadam, Karmapadam. Kartrupadam should be in Tritiya Vibhakti, Karmapadam should be in Prathama Vibhakti. We are talking of one word.
Yes, sir, Vachana and all, it should be like that.
Vachana
sir.
can be Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. Any Vachana can be there.
Sir, means Sahataute is in Prathama Vibhakti, sir. Sir, it will only come Saha. Is it like that?
Sahataute will come in Kartari Prayoga. Tena tabhyam taihi will come in Karmani Prayoga. That is the meaning of it. Sahataute is Prathama Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti Karta, Saha is the Karta, it will come in Kartari Prayoga. Tena tabhyam taihi will come in Karmani Prayoga.
Sir, like Balaha, sir, it is Prathama Vibhakti, no, sir.
Yes.
Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana, anyone can come or only one?
Anyone can come.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Lata PL.
Ram Mahodaya. There was one sentence in Abhyasa 4. Choraha arakshakan društva drutavantaha. Is arakshakan taken as object? When we convert it to karmani, will it be chorahi arakshakaha društva drutaha?
What was
because
the answer?
that was not converted, so I had a doubt whether because of društva.
1 second. Fourth exercise, huh?
Yes, yes.
Choraha.
Arakshakan will also get converted. Or when we put a question, Choraha kan društva drutavantaha, we get Arakshakan.
I will answer tomorrow. Is it okay?
Astu Mahodaya. Dhanyavada.
Sir, is it like suitable words only can fit in the blanks?
Yes, Pa.
Dhanyavada, sir.
Pragya.
Mahodaya, can a single dhatu be both sakarmaka and akarmaka? Like if we take the sentence Sa Geetam Gayati, then Gayati will become sakarmaka and Sa Samyak Gayati, it will become akarmaka. So, is it possible to have both sakarmaka and akarmaka for the same dhatu?
For the same dhatu, Gai dhatu. You are talking about Gai dhatu, right?
Yes, sir.
Sa samyak gayati. That is a kriya visheshanam. Okay. So when you ask the question, sa geetam gayati, sa kim gayati.
Geetam.
Now, is that geetam in dvitiyantam or pratamantam?
Dvitiya and Prathama.
And pratamana. In this sentence, is it dvitiya or pratama?
Dvitiya.
Let me answer this also tomorrow. Definitely, there cannot be. So the direct answer for your question is, it cannot be akarmaka and sakarmaka. A particular dhatu cannot be both sakarmaka and akarmaka. This is the answer. If it has to become an akarmaka or sakarmaka, for example, bhavati is an akarmaka dhatu. It becomes sakarmaka if you add upasarga. If I make it anubhavati, it will become a sakarmaka dhatu, bhu dhatu. So there must be some changes that occur in the dhatu to make it a sakarmaka to an akarmaka, if it has to happen. So I will come back to you on this gai dhatu. Gai dhatu, according to my knowledge, it is akarmaka. Let me see what is the grammarians have to tell. Okay, I will come back to you on that.
Sir, even like Creed dhatu also, like Saha cricket Creedati or Saha Samyak Creedati, the same thing will even come for Creed dhatu.
Creed dhatu, I think.
Mohdaya, the same doubt, even Saha Samyak Likhati, when we take that, how?
So there is so the Shastriya Vichara is slightly different. Now what I taught to you people is the way of asking question is kaha kam kam. That was a crude method of identifying the karma pada. So there is a Shastriya method where we have to see phala is going to whom, vyapara is whose, all those things are there. It is as per the Paninian Shastra. So I just want to refer that and tell you back. Not that this one, but the answer only I can tell. I can't explain why it is. In my understanding, Kridati is also akarmaka, and Nritya, what is the dhatu she said?
Likhati.
No, the other dhatu. Gai dhatu is also akarmaka, and likhati is sakarmaka, definitely. Likha akshara vinyase is a sakarmaka dhatu. Likhati is a sakarmaka dhatu, but gayati and Kridati is akarmaka dhatu.
Shilpa.
Dhanyavadaha. M. Sriram.
I'm sorry, I sent a follow-up question on what you had answered earlier about the sending you an email. Will the current Sanskrit high school Sanskrit grammar email still be active after close of coursework, or will you be wanting us to send emails on some other mail? That was the question.
You can copy it to support at Vyoma Labs also. Support at vyomalabs.in, so that, it will not get missed.
Okay, that will be the active mail.
That will always be active, and the support team will forward it to me.
Okay.
As soon as they receive a content related question, they will forward it to the respective teachers.
Okay. Thank you very much. That was the question. Thank you.
Mahodaya, can I say one thing? Just now there was a doubt. Saha samyak likhati for likh dhatu. So can it is sakarmaka dhatu. So we can pose a question. Saha samyak kim likhati. Saha samyak patham likhati. So sakarmakam.
That is clear. There it is likh dhatu. It is clear. They were asking about gai and creed.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Very. Prachi Patel.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you hear me? Sir, in that sentence, choraha arakshakan drishtva drutavantah, isn't it like two sentences? Like one part is arakshakan drishtva choraha drutavantah. So when we have to ask the question, it is to the second verb. Is it so? That because I had the same question, and then so this is what I thought, that the question has to be asked to drutavantah because of two.
I will answer it tomorrow. If you...
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Dhanyavad. Muralidhara.
Ram, sir. I am a slow learner, sir. Sir, in YouTube and also computer, I am not familiar. In YouTube channel also, this course is available, sir, afterwards?
Yes, it is available.
That is always one thing. And can I know, Kridanta, I wanted to attend project. Can I handwritten in notebook and scan and send it to you, sir?
Scan and send it by mail.
Mail.
Okay.
I will try to use Baraha software. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. I think all questions are answered. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।